Check this out. Cheesy, spicy, and meaty chicken enchilada dip. You can put this on a chip, a cracker, or a flip-flop. Well, maybe not a flip-flop, but whatever you put it on, you're going to love this dip. So let's get cooking on Darlene's table. Today is chicken enchilada dip. My daughter gave me this recipe, and it seems to be highly requested when she's invited to a party. I've had it, it's delicious. So now, let's get started. All right, I'm starting with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next, I will add the mayo, half a cup of mayonnaise, your choice what kind, and half a cup of sour cream. I'm going to mix this well. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of chili powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I'll blend the cream cheese mixture with the chicken. You can do shredded chicken or you can leave it in small cubes. I'm not crazy about shredded chicken, but it's your choice. I'm now adding the Rotel tomatoes. Let's blend this well. All right, 1 cup of medium cheddar and 1 cup of the white sharp cheddar. I love Tillamook cheese. You could also use Colby Jack or Monterey Jack, whatever cheese you want to use. All right, into a lightly oiled casserole dish. Now into the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. You want it brown around the edges. All right, I believe we're ready. Oh, that looks so good. All right, let's serve this. I crushed some chips in the bottom and I'm going to put the enchilada dip over the top and then serve with additional tortilla chips. Yummy chicken enchilada dip. You'll really enjoy this. If you are looking for something to bring to a party, then look no further. This dish never fails to be the hit of any party. I hope you give this a try soon. If you like this video, then give us a like and please consider subscribing to our channel. Y'all have a blessed day.